I'm going to be honest with you. This is my favorite way to make money with dropshipping. Seriously, high-ticket dropshipping is powerful. Watch this video till the end and I promise you will see why I'm so excited about it. Let's start with a question I hear all the time. Is dropshipping still worth it in 2025? It's more than worth it. It's thriving. And the biggest reason, high-ticket dropshipping. So what is it? It's a strategy where you focus on selling premium, higher-priced items, the kind that make you more money with fewer sales. And here's why this works so well in 2025. Buyers are shifting toward quality over quantity. And that's changing the game. We know numbers speak for themselves. In 2024, the global dropshipping market hit around $365 billion. By the end of 2025, it's expected to grow over to $460 billion. And in 2026, it may reach $476 billion, with more and more people choosing high-ticket items. Many stores making over $50,000 per month are selling high-ticket products, and that's the kind of business you want to be in. Shoppers now prefer value, exclusivity, and convenience over cheap, low-quality items. And for you as a business owner, this means fewer orders to manage but much higher profits per sale. With high-ticket dropshipping, each sale brings in more revenue, so you spend less time dealing with tiny orders and more time building a strong premium brand. Instead of chasing hundreds of small sales, you sell just a few products that bring you $100, $500, and even $1,000 in profit each. But I won't lie, this model comes with its own challenges, especially if you are just starting. Let's quickly talk about 5 common struggles people face when they try high-ticket dropshipping on their own. First, choosing the wrong niche. Some niches are already overcrowded. If you're just picking something trendy from YouTube, it's probably already too late. Not knowing how to price or position products. With high-ticket items, customers expect a premium experience. You need the right store design, messaging, and targeting. Unreliable suppliers. When you are selling expensive products, delays or poor service from suppliers can hurt your reputation and cost you sales. Lack of trust. You're asking people to spend hundreds, even thousands on your store they've just discovered. If your site doesn't look 100% professional, they won't stick around. No system. If you don't have a system for choosing, launching, and promoting the right products, you will end up guessing. That's why so many people give up before they see results. Now let's look at the numbers. Studies show that about 90% of all dropshipping businesses fail within the first 3 months. How do you explain that? Well, stats can be misleading if you don't know what's behind them. That failure rate includes everyone. People who follow a strategy and people who don't. People who launch smart and people who just rush in without a plan. So yes, high-ticket dropshipping works, but only if you set it up right. Now, here's the part I love most. If you're new or just don't want to deal with all the trial and error, Sellvia has created ready-made solutions that include everything you need to succeed. Proven high-profit products, beautiful trust-building store designs, pre-made promo videos, and of course, step-by-step marketing tools that drive real sales. Sellvia's high-ticket product packs aren't just random items pulled from a catalog. They are actually carefully selected based on what's trending, what's profitable, and what actually converts. And you don't need to waste time doing research. You don't need to learn graphic design or copywriting. And you don't need to spend thousands testing products that don't sell. It is all done for you. And your job just to scroll down, pick a pack, and launch your store. So if you are ready to start earning big with fewer sales, if you want to ride the 2025 wave of high-quality e-commerce buyers, and if you want your dropshipping store to finally succeed, this is your moment. High-ticket dropshipping will dominate this year and beyond. And your shortcut to success is right here under this video. Check the links, grab your pack, and start your premium store today. And I'll see you on the inside.